Hi, boys and girls. I miss you guys so much. Today, I want to share with you how to get into Musiclab and how to put it back into the form after you're done. So the first thing, I'm in the form that says Maples Musiclab. Some of you may have done it before, but I just want to walk us through it for those who haven't. I'm going to go to Create a Song, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Musiclab. It's going to bring me all the way over here to Musiclab. Okay. I'm going to move this just to make it a little bit easier to see. There we go. On Musiclab, you have all these different things you can do. You can change your tempo by making it slower or faster. You can use this part that says settings. If you touch it, it will kind of tell you how long your song is. This one says 4 bars. I'm going to make this one 2 bars. I'm going to keep it major. That's the scale. I'm going to keep it 4 beats per bar. I could change it to make it less, but I'll keep it at 4. Split beats. I could make it just 1 sound per beat, or this is 2 sounds per beat. All these things, and then I click done, and I'm ready. I'm going to make a little tune first. Each time I touch it, it's going to play that tune for me. All right, I'm going to play that little tune. And then I can stop it. It just kind of keeps going in a loop. I might want to change to piano. Or I might want to put some rhythms in that are different. So I can put a little rhythm tag in there. Let's hear how that sounds. Okay, I'm not crazy about that. I'm going to take that one off. Now let's listen. Okay, not bad. And then if I like that, I can save it and say, I like that. Or I can restart and do a new one. Or I can maybe put microphone. Sing into your mic to add notes. Oops. Oh, I'm going to undo that. I don't really want that to happen. And then I'm going to play it again. And then I can stop it. And then I'm going to say, I like that tune. I'm not really sure about that microphone. Some of you might want to try that. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to save my song. And it says, your song is saved at this link. So then I'm going to copy that link. Copy link. Then I'm going to get out of this thing. It goes back to my tune. And I'm going to go right back to my form. And I'm going to paste my form in. I'm going to paste my link in here by hitting Command V. And then I'm going to put my name. And I'm almost done. And I'm going to pick my teacher, Ms. Whitford. And then I'm going to hit Submit.